They got us a blessing to see. Doing shows on my stage for St. Laurent on my feet. Where are we going, bitches?
Beautiful. No, that's my dip. It's get your shit up.
We're gonna That looks better. Look at that.
You know I got the
Don't post yours. Cut it out. Cut it out. Cut it out. We're at Kung Fu Tea.
Hold on.
Cut it out.
What? The shit out of me.
Cut it out. What are you gonna do about it?
What are you gonna do about it?
I want you to cut it out. Cut it out.
Wait, hold up.
You dropped it.
Edie, this is.
I'm sorry. I didn't realize that you were here.
What the fuck are we doing?
He's trying to eat his booty.
Oh, he tied. Look. Mehmet. Look.
But I just bit him.
Gabby, did you put that in the video? That's my dream right there, Itai.
Wait, he tied. I think
You can't see it.
I think it was the Asian girl.
She's right there, Cameron. I'm tweaking. Hi, we're at Pho 24, and we're gonna get fucking lit.
The way she laughs at our own joke.
That should be your intro.
Twirl.
We're gonna get.
That is the intro. Scoot over. My nose is runny. Edie, are you in it?
I have to begin the vlog.
It's a mukbang.
It's a mukbang. I know, but we have a channel. Oh my god, you look.
Oh.
Look at that twirl on my spoon.
And then I slurp it.
Slurp. I've been waiting 30 minutes for my fucking.
Get that swirl action. You see that?
Which one's my water?
This is fuck. Did you get some of my? I'm melting. You got it on my hairband.
I'm sorry, I milked on you.
Bitches are filming a mukbang.
Mukbang. Good right.
Do homework.
Chicken. Ooh, get slurping it in the microphone.
I don't think I have one.
No, microphone?
Maybe.
My bad.
Is this Taylor Swift?
Are we amusing to you? I have to charge you for that.
Yeah, we're gonna have to charge you. You have black chopsticks? Are they real? How do you get black ones? That's kind of gross. Do you think they wash them?
Chopstick?
No. Oh, you here. They don't wash them at Panera. I won't spill, I promise.
Thank you.
Thank you. Baby worked there and she said she didn't ever wash them. She just rinsed No.
them.
No, she washed them properly, but the guy that did them, Derek, always had like left
look at all
potatoes
that
on them.
steam.
It's just nasty. Don't ever eat forks from restaurants like that. You're trusting a busboy. He's to clean your dishes properly. You really think he's getting paid $2 an hour? You really think he's gonna wash your dishes properly?
I would.
No.
He's making some big boinks.
Points.
I said that wrong.
You're like, I hope you choke on my potatoes, bitch.
Hope
you choke on your potatoes?
Yeah.
All over them.
I want
Like
you to
your
choke
fries?
on my potato. I'll choke on my potato real quick.
Tender bio.
Did I have saltine crackers? I feel like that would be the cusp
You want
this
saltine crackers?
I kind of do. Oh, Edie, don't you have them in your bag?
I do. They're in garbage trunk. Oh wait, they're in garbage trunk.
Fuck.
Yeah, fat ass. Ooh, Madison. I don't think these are clean. Look. I'm gonna look it off for you. No, it doesn't look like food. It
Looks like lipstick.
looks like Sharpie.
Lipstick.
No, it doesn't look like lipstick. That scares me. Gabby, where'd you get yours? Dip it in your water. Wait, I can get other ones. Wait, I'll get ones that have it open.
There's just so much.
Oh my god, wait, this is a vlog because I can make it clickbait.
Do it.
Clickbait, I threw up and ate it.
Stop that. Don't encourage. You're gonna have to make an apology video.
For this? I have no boundaries, Gabby. I say whatever comes to my mind.
Say the first thing now.
Peanuts.
That it took too long. Now. No.
Okay, go.
Now.
Air.
What? What did you say?
Go.
What? That was not English.
I said air.
Oh, air?
Why not spend a whole night here? It's already eaten.
Bitch,
Can I
you
eat my
got your
soup?
food before all of us.
You chomped it down like hungry hippos.
This is my
They
food.
took 30 minutes to give me. I asked for 3 times.
Oh, just need to take these down.
Hey.
Cool it down.
Can I have the sriracha sauce?
Oops. And if you like da-na-na-na with the windows
My lips are
down.
burning. I'm a
you
disgrace to like my black culture because like
So
I
your
don't like
Puerto
hot
Rican
sauce.
culture.
Yeah, because they like hot sauce and I don't.
Thank you for asking.
Asking me
You're
how
welcome. Because you asked.
Madison, I put so much in here.
Because if you like
I'm a dumbass
driving
bitch.
down with the windows down.
Jewish, we don't
and
eat
if
hot
you
stuff.
like going places you can't even pronounce. If you like to do whatever that you wanna do, then baby, this is not a sing-along. Baby, you're perfect.
Wait, who
for
sings
me.
that song?
Me.
No, who sings it?
Perfect by like
What is this? Is this
some
a
One
beat?
Direction guy.
Okay, keep it that way.
Oh. Hey, because you sang too.
I have lice, so you just put it back in your bowl.
Lice? Flavor.
Bugs. Protein. Wait, is this really cilantro?
If you're vegan, wait, I don't, maybe this is chicken stock. I don't know.
You don't need it.
But if you are vegetarian, no, still chicken stock. If you don't want meat,
It's lime leaf.
but you can possibly eat it,
You have lime on it.
get regular fat
know, it'll just
without
add some
the
flavor,
chicken
the
or
plant from
anything. And it's
outside.
like $6 and it gives you so much extra noodles.
What?
And if you're an omnivore, if you're a carnivore,
Sorry, what are you talking about?
You're an omnivore. What is that?
if you're a dinosaur,
What's an omnivore?
An omnivore?
get a chicken carnivore.
Chicken food.
Your mom's
Don't talk about Suzanne like that.
Yeah.
Hey, listen.
Chicken.
I hope everybody saw that.
Your mom is not here.
Ow! Edie, get in this.
I'm gonna get a paper. I'm gonna paper cut.
Madison, stop hogging the screen. You
I feel like
so
I feel
girl.
like I feel like Poe from. I mean, not Poe.
No,
what's his-
if anybody's Poe,
That's Common John.
come on,
Common John. How hot can I do this? Let's see.
Put an ice cube.
I don't think it's hot.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. So, on Apple, I paid $2.99 a month for 200 gigabytes of storage. I've already used half of it.
Oh my god.
That's why I needed a
Is there
professional
fucking
camera.
hair in here?
No, it's just noodles.
Delete.
Honestly, it's probably your hair. You know how much of my hair I get in my food when I eat?
If there's a hair in my food or the
I keep
restaurant,
getting your hair
Oh,
under my
grass!
armpits.
It's grass.
it's grass.
Mm-hmm.
Wait.
I think it's
love
I think it's part leaf.
No, it's grass. They get outside and they go, ooh, this grass looks
look
good.
Look at. I put
Lawn clippings.
I put the leaf plant from the outside in my soup to try add flavor. I think it's gonna. That hot fucking shit burned on me. Be burning my skin. Bro, I need to get some acne cream.
Can I please be someone?
These are not attractive
Just
spots.
get,
I have your oxy shit in my bro.
yeah, use that. You put it all over your face.
Yeah, no, it works really well. That's why it cleared up so well. Because I literally soaked my chest in it. Baby, you're perfect. I like this better when we're naked. It makes it easier.
Gonna charge me a
Cannonball. You look like a walrus when you do that.
This?
If I didn't have money,
We're back.
if I didn't have money, I wouldn't get it.
Oh.
Gabby, can he Venmo you? Gabby, can he Venmo you?
What?
Can he Venmo you?
Venmo me.
Yeah.
You know that shit doesn't work. I couldn't even get my nails paid. How much is it? Fine.
I think it's Apple Pay. You don't have money on that?
It's connected to my savings account. So I checked my bank statement, and they've charged me $36 in excessive withdrawal fees because I'm using my savings account as like for my debit card, but on my Apple.
Why are you using it?
What?
Because
Crystal
I
meth.
needed it one time and then I used it. I'm like, oh, I can just use this, but I never knew the reason.
Why are you following someone?
Why don't you just get a debit card?
I had one, but when I had a debit card, I was just swiping.
Did you hear what I said?
Yeah. I'm getting a soup bath.
What?
Because you keep.
Dude, my sister, her Venmo's connected to my dad's card, so she just Venmos money to herself, and then she like Venmos people from Steven's card money back. Like people Venmo her to her account.
Steven's
and then
gonna
she
be
Ven-
broke because of y'all.
I know, like he really is. Like he's.
Wait, so what?
Bibi has her own Venmo account, right? Where
What?
people Venmo her money, right? When they owe her something. But when she owes people
like
money,
a
she
minion.
Venmos from Steven's account.
My ringtone is a minion.
He goes, how'd it go?
She's never losing money.
Forgot.
He goes,
She's a. I know. She's a fucking fiend.
Gabby, your phone's ringing.
Girls. Girls.
Goals, baby goals.
Baby girls.
Baby
I can't say it.
That's exactly how you're supposed to eat it too.
Wait,
That's how I've been doing it.
so I'm
Asian.
eating it wrong?
Yes.
No, you bring the soup in it too. You dumb shit.
I don't want the soup in it.
That was mean.
It's gonna
No, and you eat
spill
it with
everywhere.
chopsticks.
You don't want the soup. That's why you get pho.
I drink it afterwards, like dessert. Pho's so fucking good.
It feels so fucking good inside of me.
He looks kind of looks that's his sister, but
He needs to shave his hand though.
Who? Oh, he's so hot.
He is really hot,
Yummy.
but his hand is really hairy.
Did you hear that? Is there boogies?
Where are you gonna go on a date? Eat that pho.
I thought there were boogies in there, but. Stick them all back up.
he wanted to take me to Plaza Fiesta, but I was like,
Oh, the Fiesta's cute.
It's because he's a fucking
What is he? Where is he from?
Brazilian.
Brazilian.
Brazilians do.
Latinos hit me.
Okay, no, all Hispanic guys.
He's gonna be at the game Friday because it's his
Who
team.
wants to go see a movie?
When tonight?
Nobody.
I can't.
I can't.
You don't have enough money.
Yeah, I have no
He's
money.
gonna be like,
Someone Venmo me.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Can I Venmo somebody?
I'm already one step ahead. I got free tickets from Costco.
how many free tickets? So you're asking all of us, and then when we get there, then what?
Because I got my own ticket, y'all paying for yourself.
You're sneaking me in.
No, it's a school night.
It's my birthday.
I didn't go to school today. I have to go tomorrow.
You have to.
So much.
Gabby, don't
I'm
Happy
gonna be
birthday.
legal. I'm touching you. Boo. Happy birthday to me.
I can finally recoup.
Last year, I forgot to post Gabby's birthday because we got too high and she had to post first. So
Wait, what?
remember last year when we got too high and I forgot to
She's about
post,
what?
and then you posted pictures for yourself on my
Bitches?
thing. You remember the
Still up.
Can you call her the bitches?
Gabby is gonna be the richest 18-year-old.
What does that mean?
I'm gonna recruit her into porn. She's gonna make so much money.
Why not me?
Because you're not 18 yet.
You're right, but I am 18.
Well, if you get rid of those herpes.
Not herpes, it's just a pimple I popped.
Pop.
Pop.
Pop that pussy.
Good.
Wow, you
This is what Brent says to me every like just
I love.
Can you send her video? Send her. Oh,
She's
turn it,
so
turn it, turn it,
pretty.
turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it.
Brynja. Oh, that's so.
scratch you.
Woof, woof, woof. Bitch, I'm a cow. Move.
Bitch, I'm a call.
Bitch, I'm a dog. Woof. Roar. Bitch, I'm a dog.
That was all for fucking.
Bitch, I'm a monkey.
I'm gonna be a
Wait.
Did you save it?
Bitch, I'm a frog.
Save it, save it.
Bitch, I'm a horse.
Send it to me.
That's a fucking sheep. Bitch, I'm a sheep. Bah.
She said horse. So I said, bah.
The bitch, I'm a horse. He goes, bah.
Bitch, I'm a whore.
Bitch, I'm a whore.
You guys just sound like corner.
Clorox wipes.
Bitch, I'm bleach.
Corner hookers.
Bitch, I'm bleach.
Store. Oh yeah.
Corner store whores.
He looks.
Can we call ourselves that?
What?
You don't have the sexy six. Can we be corner store whores?
Yeah.
When I dyed my hair blonde, I would have been
Can
perfect
you
for
get
that.
corner? I get store. She gets whores.
No. Corner.
Store horse.
Store.
You can make them.
She would get horse.
Huh?
Storage wars.
Store horse.
Storage whores.
You get store. I get.
I am a
she get
storage
whores.
whore.
Horse,
You
horse.
should see my closet.
Close in storage.
Boats and hoes. I'm gonna get sick if
Boats.
I have another bite
We
of
should
this
get
shit.
that boats and
Tits and
hoes.
grits.
Tits and grits. I'm not dash children.
I want to
That was
drink
awkward.
this.
It does something.
Do it.
You go, that was awkward.
Cheers.
It's not.
Clink, cheers.
Cheers.
It is so hot. You're gonna.
It's so full of noodles.
Really? The pho is full of noodles?
Yeah. The pho is full of noodles.
Cheers, bitch.
It's like salt water.
It is salt water.
I'm very excluded from this clinking process. No, it's okay. I don't want to fucking clink all
Clink
bowls
your
anymore.
spoon. Cause you have soup on it.
Bro, look who it is.
For my birthday, you guys surprised me out and flew
this
me to
is-
Japan.
This
Yeah.
is fucking Korean.
Who would believe
We're
that?
in Korea.
It's Vietnamese.
We're in
dumbass.
Vietnam. Wait, is that where that's in Vietnamese? So is Gabby. Gabby is
All
good,
of our
good.
soups are different colors.
Gabby, you're. Gabby,
Call me.
Hey, I just understood what you said. Oh my god, you cut your hair?
Whoa.
When?
Whoa, Kira.
By yourself?
No, I just got cut.
Professionally?
Yeah.
Okay, I was gonna say, if you did that yourself, girl, like
Did
it
you
looks
dye?
pretty
Did
good.
you get dye professionally?
We're mukbanging. Say hey.
Oh, is that Edie?
Yes, bitch, it's me. She wants to see me, bitch. That's the camera.
Oh.
Hi, Edie.
Hi, Kira.
Drop you in the soup.
Hey.
Oh, hi, girl.
Hey, I haven't seen you since sophomore year.
Fun.
Yeah. Fuck yeah.
We flew.
I know.
Kira, we flew her out to Vietnam just to get some
They flew me out to Vietnam.
That's great.
to get some real authentic Vietnamese pho, you know.
Wait, do you guys all need to come to Athens?
We're coming Friday.
You guys can like stay in my apartment with me.
We're coming Friday.
Really? Do you guys need a place to stay?
Probably.
Yeah, come to my apartment.
She goes, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
How many? Oh, you have an apartment by yourself?
My bed can fit like 3 people, and then there's 2 couches.
Well, I slept on the floor at Misha's, so anything's better than the floor.
I thought you had extra beds.
I'd sleep in the fridge.
I thought you had extra beds.
Who? No, bitch is a fucking futon and a fucking recliner. That's there's extra beds in the floor.
He goes, yeah, we have 3 extra beds.
I'm in my car.
Bitch,
I slept in my car.
where? Because she didn't want to walk back.
I know. I woke up with like.
I didn't cut it myself, but I did dye it myself.
You dyed that yourself?
It looks really good actually.
Do you remember when I dyed my hair myself?
Yes, bitch. That looks
Yeah,
like
we still remember your blonde.
fat
Oh,
mess.
we all remember when I looked like a street hooker.
It's okay, I went blonde too.
Yeah, but you look good with it. Like, it looked good. Like, whatever you did looked
Like,
fine.
yeah, Gabby.
You just need to put toner in it to make it less orange.
I needed to bleach it first.
No.
You didn't bleach it?
It was white.
No.
No. Your hair was white too.
I thought
It was orange.
It was orange. You
It
needed
was
to put
orange.
toner in it.
Bitch, it was not.
It was pretty yellow.
Yeah, it was like orangey yellow.
Orange yellow. It was like a
Orange?
school bus.
It
Every
looked like
time we
my-
would
it
pass
looked
a
like my
school bus,
soup.
my mom would go, there's the color of your hair.
Look, it looks like my soup.
Wow.
This
Yeah.
is your hair.
Yeah.
Dude, that shit was like bleach white. I thought it was white.
You just
Whoa, what?
You like switch the screen out.
Oh, wait, what?
I didn't tell you. I got my fucking vape back.
Cameron wants to talk to you again.
This is good as fuck.
Good as full.
This is good as fuck.
Bruh,
good as
I
fuck.
look
This is
so
good as
cute in my
fuck,
jeans,
fuck,
and now
fuck,
it's
fuck.
just flab.
You like? You like Pablini?
She liked me.
She's pretty.
She likes.
She's pretty. She's really pretty. Yeah, she.
I'm Cuban. I'm always tan.
Is that you?
No, her face is really.
Yeah.
No, no.
I
Can't
laid
comment.
out
She's
in
a
the
little.
sun for
She's a
2
little
hours
thick, but she's. No, she's.
Aren't you? So fucking
That's
jealous.
cool.
I was with her for like
Like it fits.
You hooked up.
yes.
You hooked up? Like,
She's really pretty. I
I
thought.
never got into
she never got into your pants? You never got into her pants?
I like
all the time.
Pablini's. I think she's a pretty face.
Sorry, I didn't mean to make that face.
Wait, what face?
I
was like-
never got excited. Ever.
You see it in the video.
Bro, I literally at school I'll be making like faces, like my resting bitch face is kind of scary at first.
Yeah.
And my teacher will go, ew, there's a piece of pube. And my teacher will go,
What the fuck?
what's up with that stank face? And
Oh
I was
my
like,
god. It's
my normal face.
You gave her.
I gave her one back.
The jewel. Hit the jewel. Hit
Did you
the
cut it?
I'm not gay, I don't
And
hit
diet?
jewels.
Yeah.
It smells like Itai. Like vape juice.
I feel so bad for this guy. He's just not cute, and he's like, we had such a dope vibe going on. What happened?
Ooh, what guy?
I'll get my purple.
This guy, we were talking. I didn't realize it
That
was
was so
that cute.
random.
Should also do my
He's not cute.
That happens to me so
I know
much.
he's so. He's really cool.
What's wrong,
actually.
baby?
I know the cute, the nicest guys are these.
So nice. And I think
That's
it's
yours.
Of course.
I'm just gonna hang out with him and not hook up with him. I'm
You
gonna
like
like
a
listen.
lot of girls
You're gonna hang
Who
out
on
with
the
him
other
and hook
side?
up with him?
No, no, no. I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna be like, let's just be
like me
friends.
for some reason.
Or I want
Damn,
to. I want
friend
to.
zone.
Is that true?
I'll be like, I just got. I'll be like, I've been talking to somebody for a while. I
That's
started
true.
dating, and I'll tell him it was Tyler. Because Tyler's coming in town. Guys,
I'll get it.
What?
Everybody says
he's
I do.
gonna be here
Like
in
all my
2
friends.
weeks. I'm so excited.
Her boyfriend.
Like Cameron
That's
said it,
just
Ben
cheating
said
on.
it, Monty said it.
That was nasty.
You knew there were bean sprouts in there. You saw how
No,
much
so
I
I
put
grew
in.
up
Okay,
my
but like
hair now.
I didn't think that there were. That's what
haven't
made
seen
me
it
fuck
long
with
ass
that.
time.
But I used to not like cut too much. A night?
How's that?
I can't. Not tonight.
Like,
I can't tonight.
Wait, why didn't you go to school tomorrow? I mean
No,
today.
no, like, I have to. Like, my mom.
Why
said
didn't
to.
Gabby,
You
this is
enjoying
what
it?
we do.
Why didn't you go to school tomorrow?
What school are you
Today?
in?
Today.
I don't want to go.
She wanna go.
Just randomly.
Yeah, she's a senior. She doesn't go.
Okay.
Just, I'm a senior too, bitch.
Yeah, we're gonna try to come up soon.
Gabby, this is what we do.
What are you gonna do?
Gabby, you spit on me.
Yeah,
Wait,
we're
spit on
coming,
me,
don't worry.
Can we drop notes?
Maybe this weekend.
You know,
Well, my house is.
people
my
have done
car's
that
at her
before
house.
and clean their
Alright, we'll
screens
try.
for their
Okay.
phones. It's just a.
Gabby, you like
I'm Rapunzel.
actually spit
like
all
Kim?
over me.
Wait, drop. Wait,
If you, like,
Cameron,
rewatch that,
Cameron.
you spit on me.
Come on, drop. Bye, Kira.
See you.
Come on, drop me Madison off at Gabby's and I'll take Madison home. I can take Madison home. I live right next to her. So just go back to Gabby's, all of us.
And then she'll take me home.
If you want.
Dad, I call shotgun.
No. What the fuck?
Why would we
said
drive
yeah.
her home if she can't be in the shotgun?
Yeah, and you can drive back with her. Yeah,
But I guess I'm gonna.
I can edit. You just do my iMovie.
I mean, you called
Yeah,
me.
too complicated for me.
Are you gonna post this for real?
Yeah. I don't give a fuck.
I made a lot of faces.
Look how I look, bitch. It's fine.
I was like,
Pretty bold. I was like,
okay, good. You say that now, you're like, no, the fuck, I'm not.
just understand
I'm
the
right.
image you're putting out for yourself.
And if I go there, right?
Yeah, that's what they do.
I have a problem
Right there,
with
electric
students
bike.
in general, you know?
Look
If
at
we
this
really
one.
try.
Sweet.